Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we are doing some more reassembly with our Terran faction. And I've been doing quite a lot of building. And I just made a small defense platform, which I might work on today. But today is going to be a giant building thing, and instead of building in my free time, I'm just going to edit out the parts that I am building and talk you through the in-betweens, because I'm thinking maybe turn these defense drones into immobile platforms and sort of have it be like there's the harvesters that harvest stuff manually, sort of like civilian drones. Then there's the attackers, which sort of eventually evolve into their final form of the Ravager, which probably up the P on those, I don't know. And then there's the defense drones, which will eventually transform into the defense platforms, which will go down there and then be the big defense platform, which I will rename, and I will be building a mothership today. And I think I might start with the mothership, to be brutally honest. So, I guess let's just do that. Well, hello everyone, and welcome back from my little building session. This is the mothership. It costs the exact amount of max P, which is 8,000. If I chuck anything on there, it says warning, exceeded max P and you cannot save. But here it is, the mothership costing 8,000 P. It's a big leap. And let's just say what's on here. As you can see, lots of drone launchers. Actually, I need to do the bindings. Oh, this is going to be so annoying. Plasma mortars. Oh my god. All these. Mouse 4. Thank you. Antimatter cannon on left mouse with all that. Plasma mortars over there. So, have all those plasma mortars. Plasma cannons are fine. Burst lasers to point defense. Oh my god, look at how much point defense is that. All that blue that's up there, all that is point defense. My god. That is absolutely insane. Also, all the lasers point defense as well. Very close range point defense. Oh, look at all that. Holy guacamole. I do not say holy guacamole a lot. Shield projectors, lots of generators, an antimatter cannon, lasers, plasma mortars. I don't know how many plasma mortars there are. There's 6 there, 2 there, 2 there, 2 there, 2 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 plasma mortars. As you can see, 8 railguns, 2 plasma cannons, the medium-sized ones, lots of point defense lasers, what else is there? Burst lasers, harvesters, the antimatter cannon, also proton beams, also have those. Not enough P to build ship. Yes, I know I don't have enough P to build the ship. But I think what I'm going to be doing today is just try and get that 8,000 P. Most of it will be offline. But, what? This is only a 4-minute video, wow. I mean, I was building for like 2 to 3 hours, but, you know. I will pause this, and if anyone, or if anything happens, I'll try to let you guys know. I'm actually not that far away from the actual base, it's just up there. I'm in the closest continent area, but, There's this. An asteroid base. And I'll be absolutely honest. We can't get those. I want asteroid pieces. Also, we can't get station command, which is the big... It's the big command module. It would be nice if we can, but... doesn't really matter too much. Fire everything! Fire! I liberated the asteroid base, apparently? Okay. Shoot those at that. Full battle mode. Oh, those plasma mortars just missing. Oh. I want to do something with the plasma mortars. Boom. There we go. Still building drones, because I can. Whee! So fast. A strike craft. No. Anvil. Asteroid pod. What the hell is that? How do you get those? They're by a person. What? I'm going to kill it. You can't kill it. Those look like Terran things. They are Terran things. How did you... You know what, yeah, there's literally nothing. They're using mods or something, or... Yeah, that is very weird. A buzzsaw. Yeah, not today. I don't think I'm going to be getting the... well, anything. The 8000p. Because we're gonna need a lot. I guess that would be like a sort of end game thing. What is this? You cannot withstand the might of my death. My death is strongest. I'm gonna shoot you some more. Wow, you have some strong armor. Wow. Charging up. And boom. Instant killed. Well, not instant killed, but where is that? Oh my god, I'm taking lots of damage. Well, not really, but you know. I can't really tell if I'm taking damage. A prototype J. Hang on, I know these. Get over here. I'm going to murder you. Charge weapons. Oh, I have no thing. Yeah, killed it. Got my weapons charged, primed and ready. An interceptor. Dead. Come on. Die. Die. Come on, you know you want to. If I have to use missiles to kill you, I will. I guess I did. Heavy assault fighter. You call that thing a heavy assault fighter? Look at me. Oh, you're trapped. Yeah, he died. Okay, I'm just gonna speed my way back to base. Or I could just go back to that newly found asteroid area. Hmm. There you go. Okay. I'm going to continue to try and get 8000p. Okay, I'm back. Before I come in, I am in the middle of a crossfight between the red and the crystalline, and I'm currently building a waypoint. So let's go. Which is just another version of me that will probably get insta-killed, but you know what? Ah, beautiful ah. There we go. I would not like to trade C because I want to make at least a couple more waypoints to sell that. Oh wow, this thing really can protect itself. I didn't really think of that. It can seriously protect itself. Like, seriously protect itself. I'm just going to kill that before it destroys my waypoint. Oh yeah, hell yeah, another one. Okey-doke. Here we go. Grab some more. I might make 3 waypoints. I don't know. Maybe. Just pretty much for protection. Just protecting each other. So that they actually, you know, don't die while I go and decimate these. These. I am good at spelling. Oof. Sniper. That's what I am now. Sniper. Sorry, but you're still alive! No, you're not. I used to have such difficulty killing those when I was the Sentinel. And the Sentinel are meant to be dangerous. Not for me. A good thing that is good if you're playing as the Crystalline is the fact that the Crystalline's missiles don't cost any energy to fire. Which is kind of OP on their side. So you can just legit have a tiny ship with a giant missile and not have it require any energy. Did it seriously just build a sniper? Is there a sniper in here? I don't think so. Because last time I checked, the game said allied ships will only make things from this menu. It's apparently not true. Oh, it's healing me. Great, it's fun. I might make a third one just for expanding measures. You know, the drill. God, the crystalline are usually absolutely brutally dangerous. As in, they attack anyone and anything they see, just because science. They're definitely smart. Oh my god. Uraniums aren't that hard to kill, but there is a thing that costs 6000p in this. Now I have a station 2 to be exact, up here, which is good. Can get some more with that. Now at max of 5000p, which is good. Are you dare? Beryllium? No. Oh, I may die here. Ah, they stole my stuff too. Well, I'll just respawn right here and destroy them. How did that not... Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Hide inside the shield. No, apparently not. We are getting destroyed, but they also got destroyed, so that's fun. Die! I need more point defense. That is the most OP faction, so I mean, it's kind of obvious that I'm having some troubles. Don't you dare. I hit a wreckage. Kinda sucks. See. If I give it my stuff, it will spawn other things. And by it, I mean the thing. I'm gonna check how much time I have. Oh, I got plenty of time. It is the station, and it's spawning tiny little harvester drones. That's cute. That's very cute. Okie doke, let's just, I guess, drill down into the thing. Ooh, 2 damaged stations down there. I may want to bring the Ravagers that I have down there, but let's just see if they won't attack me. No, they will definitely attack me. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Why are you be attacking? It's an Indium. Why you be attacking an Indium? They very dangerous. Oh, why am I in the middle of crystalline territory with the Terran faction? I mean, maybe max level Sentinel, but Terran faction? Really? Also, I've decided something. How I finish a series is going to be getting every single piece of, gonna like unlock every single part of the faction and get an 8000p ship. I think that's gonna be how I'm gonna do it. Very nervous. I'm very nervous. Just gotta get in here. Activate the station. It can respawn me as soon as I die. Just gotta activate it. And that's fine. Platinum! I'm so dead. But I'm doing it anyway. Charge! Yes, I did it, I did it, I did it, I did it. There may be minor lag, and by minor lag, I mean, wow, that's a lot of lag. I'm just gonna defend it for a little bit, so that it doesn't die instantly. And so it can actually protect me! Oh my god, this thing is good. This thing can seriously protect, oh my god. I should give you my C. Except maybe not against a Prothemium? Yeah, I'm out of here. That station is very dead. Oh, I'm about to be very dead. Did I at least distract the Prothemium? No, I did not. Not at all. Since this is gonna take a while, I might do this offline. Well, I kind of did that first try. So, that's fun. More P. 5,762p. I think, since this is episode 8, I believe, I'm pretty sure that there's going to be 10 episodes, and I'm just going to do pretty much everything in my spare time, get 8000p in my spare time, and then the 9th episode will probably be, let's see, yeah, the 9th episode will be, not probably, it will be, my words, I'm very tired, but it will be, why can't I think today? I was thinking about it before, just not coming out of my mouth. The 9th episode will be me sort of testing out the mothership, I guess. It'll be where I have the mothership. Actually, yes. It'll be where I have the mothership, and I'm just going around brutally destroying everything, because I can, and building up a fleet. Completely on cam, nothing off cam. Just so that we can get the actual video in and not like a short. And then the 10th episode will be going through a wormhole, and I guess just finding another map with agents that will be quite small. It'll be quite a small map, and it'll have lots of agents, and I will brutally destroy them all. Which, that will probably be it. Yeah, that'll be fine. I believe we are 22 minutes in. And there's nothing really to do with money, so I don't know. And I also found a problem with the mothership. It doesn't have any containers. So I'm just gonna fix that. Because containers means R, and R means lots and lots and lots of juicy ships. Why didn't that spawn? There it is. That's not connected. Copying issues, am I right? What the? What? Where have you gone? Where is the mothership? What? Let's try that again. I'm gonna remove that. So we're gonna be replacing them. You are being replaced with something better than you. Here we go. More. And more. I mean, we need lots of containers. That's just like a thing that we need. That's not very good. We don't want that. We want this. There we go. Anything else? Doesn't really look like it. There's those, but I'm gonna keep those because that's protection. Yeah, I think that's good. Not enough P to build the ship? I don't really care, because I will have enough P to build that ship. I cannot keep track of time. Okay, 5 minutes. Okay. Defense drone. That was a... You only collected 3 R. You are the worst defense drone in the world. I should probably start building corvettes and carriers. Corvette carrier? Sure, why not? I need more R. Hello there! You have a lot of R, don't you? Fire! Ooh, that went straight through it. Okay. Should I just, like, immediately disown all the ships I just made? I could. This is like, goodbye, children, I disown you. Carrier, corvette, corvette. Can I zap that thing off you? No, you're stuck like that forever. Great. That's fun. I hate how ships do that. They take other pieces from other ships. And it makes them look weird. Ooh, do you think I can get a double KO lineup shot here? No, I completely missed on both of them. Got one. And I died. And it took all my R. I'm upset now. And I lost all my corvettes. Aww. I'm unhappy now. You don't want to see me unhappy! Ah! You shall not pass! Okay, I guess you shall pass. Psych. No one passes. 2 corvettes, go, 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 go. I want snipers everywhere. You're the person that killed me, didn't you? Or aren't you? I'm going to brutally murder you. Dun, dun, dun. I now officially have 6 ships. 4 corvettes and 2 carriers. You dare take enemy factories and put them on your own ship. Disgrace. Absolute disgrace. I should just destroy wreckages at this point. Well, I'm estimating we've got about 2 minutes left on the video. I'm probably very wrong about that, but... Can I snipe this Talon? Or this Mothership? Could also do that. No, I'm just bad at sniping. It's down there, so... Zap! Sniped! Oh my god, it's building another one! I killed it, and it's already building another one. It's rebuilding itself. That is horrifying. I need an additional 8. There we go. I now should have 9 ships. Ships. Another mothership! Another mothership. That just got very wrecked. We now have 12 ships. No, 13 ships. I accidentally built another corvette. Oops. It's not really bad that I built another corvette, but... Well, I guess I'm just going to leave it to you. Because we have hit the 30-minute mark. So, I hope you had fun watching this video. Even though most of it was cut out. Because it was like 3 to 4 hours of work. So, yeah, this is just the end. Goodbye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.